Hello and welcome back to Amnow again. As in my previous video, I did show you how to install Windows 10. So this is our Windows 10 here. So you just click on it. So let's start it. So in today's video, I'll show you how to maximize it onto a full screen. So it's just some few extensions that you need to install, and we should be able to maximize the virtual machine on a full screen. So as you can see, because we have started and it's showing press any key, the reason is that is because the CD of when we were creating, the CD that we mounted is still located on the PC. So that is why it is still saying press any key. So I'll remove that. Once the PC boots in, I'll remove that, and then we mount the extensions that we are talking about to make it on a full screen. So as the PC is booting, so let's just wait it for it to boot. Right, so right now that our PC has booted successfully, so now as you can see, so if you go into this PC, you see that the CD-ROM is still located there. Right, so you can see we still have the CD, so you can just right click and eject it. So in this case, anytime when you power on the PC and it's booting, it is not going to show you press any key or anything other else. Now let's show you how to make it a full screen. So as you can see here, if you want to view the screen top, you have to scroll to the top. So let's show you how to make it a full screen. Now on the VMware, so at the top tabs here, so just go to devices. We have devices here, and then insert guest additions CD image. So click on that. Right, so you can see that the guest CD has been mounted. So if you go to this PC, you can see that there is a CD which is mounted. Right, so here we have the CD mounted. So just double click on it to open and install some few extensions. Right, now install it. So click on yes to install the extensions. Right, so click on next, and click on next. So as it's installing, so let's just wait for it in a bit. So once this is being installed, it is going to recommend that we restart the PC, and then we proceed with the installation. Right, so as you can see, we just have to reboot it. So click on finish to reboot it. So now you can see that once it restarted, there is no press any key to boot. Right, so that is because we have ejected the mounted ISO file that we mounted when we were starting with the installation. As our PC has been booted successfully, but you can see it's still on the small screen. Now let's make it a full screen and see if it works or not. So if you go to view and make it on full screen mode, so switch, click on switch. Now you can see it is on a full screen. So you can view, this is just a full PC which you can do anything or whatever that you want on this PC. So guys, that is just how to make your virtual machine on a full screen. So you can just eject the extensions. So eject the CD extensions. Right, so now the CD is empty. So that is just how easy and simple it is to make your your virtual machine on a full screen. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. This video popping up on your screen shows you how to install Windows 10 on your virtual machine. Peace out.